Hi, everyone. I'm Dawn Kramer. I am from the Pocono area of Pennsylvania. We are a very small community of about 5,000 people in population. I work at a day center for families without homes. I started my internship here and got hired on as a case manager. So I've been able to do intake processes and exit enrollments. I've been able to do biopsychosocial assessments. I've had the opportunity to create different workshops for the families. And one of the workshops that I created on my own was the interview workshop to help our families. I work very closely with our local welfare office, the children and youth office, our local schools. I work with our local housing office and our local action committee. I'm on several different committees for the homeless, and many of our homeless families come to us with drug and alcohol abuse disorder histories, or they are currently struggling with alcohol and drug abuse um, disorders presently. So I've been able to work very closely with our families and helping them with getting help for drug and alcohol treatment. My goals are to learn more about the clinical social work setting. I have not been really in any of my past careers or this one been in an actual clinical social work setting. So I'd like to try to get all the skill sets I need in order to proceed to my dream goal, which is to open my own practice one day. I also want to know more about how to help the drug and alcohol population because I feel that before I open my practice, I would like to work with them and some veterans also. So any information I could obtain about our veterans would be really helpful. Um, and also about the grief and loss process. In my own personal life and my friends' lives, I know many people experience this, and I'm sure that in my line of work I'll encounter that. So I'd really love to know more information about that. Um, there are like two possible problems I could foresee. Um, or challenges, I should say. One is that, like I said, we live in a small town, so I know a lot of people. So I might have to commute out of the area in order to best serve the population because of privacy issues and knowing people. And the other challenge that I have is I have not had experience in the clinical social work setting. I haven't had a lot of like real life experience. But I am hoping with my next internship and with the classes I take that I'll feel more confident when I head into that type of profession. Thank you for watching my video, and I look forward to getting to know each and every one of you. Have a great day.